Inside every cell of your body, there is a code. Not a metaphor, an actual code. 4 chemical letters, A, T, C, and G, arranged in sequences that build you. Your eyes, your fingerprints, even your voice. DNA is often called the language of life. But where did this language come from? DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that stores genetic information. It functions like a biological instruction manual. Every human cell contains about 3 billion base pairs of information. If stretched out, the DNA in one cell would measure about 2 meters long. Yet it fits inside a microscopic nucleus. The sequence of A, T, C, and G forms instructions, like letters forming words. This elegant structure, the double helix, was famously discovered in 1953 by scientists James Watson and Francis Crick, unlocking our understanding of how this information is stored and copied. Groups of 3 letters create codons. The process is a marvel of biological engineering. First, the DNA code is transcribed into a messenger molecule called RNA. Then, this messenger carries the instructions to a cellular machine called the ribosome, which translates the code to assemble the protein, link by link. Codons build amino acids. Amino acids form proteins. Proteins build life. This is not random chemistry. It is structured information. In information theory, information is not just matter, it requires order and specification. A random string of letters rarely forms meaningful sentences. Yet DNA contains highly ordered functional sequences. Biologists describe DNA as a digital code, in fact, the most efficient data storage system known. The Qur'an repeatedly invites reflection on human creation. We created man from a drop of fluid. 76-2. We created man in the best form. 95-4. In the 7th century, people did not know about cells, genes, or molecular biology. Yet the Qur'an constantly directs attention to the precision of human development. DNA replication involves complex molecular machines. Enzymes unzip the double helix. Polymerases copy sequences with astonishing accuracy. Errors are often corrected automatically. The question scientists debate is not whether evolution occurs, but how the first informational systems emerged. Some argue DNA arose through natural processes over billions of years. Others argue that complex specified information suggests deeper intention. The Qur'an states, "We will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves." 41-53. Perhaps DNA is one of those signs. All living organisms share the same genetic language. From bacteria to plants to humans, the same 4 letters write the code of life. One system, one universal language. For instance, humans share roughly 99% of their DNA with chimpanzees, and about 50% with a banana, revealing our shared biological heritage. Inside you is a library written in molecular ink, a code more compact than any computer storage. Whether one sees it as the product of blind processes or purposeful design, DNA remains one of the greatest discoveries in human history. And the Qur'an invites us not to ignore what is within ourselves.